Why is Google Chrome using so much memory? Is Google Chrome eating up your memory? Let's fix high RAM usage step by step. Chrome runs each tab, extensions, and plugin as a separate process. This makes it stable, but it also uses more memory. So to be able to fix this, what you can do first is to press Shift Escape on your keyboard, and that will open up the Chrome Task Manager, and then go ahead and you can find the tabs or extensions that are using most memory. So close tabs you don't need, or use tab grouping and suspension extensions like one tab to reduce memory load. You can also disable heavy extensions by heading over into your extensions section. Disable or remove add-ons you don't use. Extensions often run in the background and consume RAM. So you can also enable memory saver mode. So on your settings, head over to performance, turn on memory saver mode, and this discards inactive tabs and can free up to 40% of memory. Chrome's high memory use is normal, but with Task Manager, Memory Saver, and fewer extensions, you can keep it fast and efficient.